What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you are all having a weather-tastic weekend. I'm your weatherman, Liam Kenny, and I'm back today with yet another update on the coronavirus. Yay, 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 yay. This update will feature the latest information in Horry County, South Carolina, the state of South Carolina, the United States, and worldwide. And once again, I'm going to go over the symptoms, what to do if you're sick, and ways that you can protect yourself. So let's jump right into it. So, as far as Horry County in South Carolina goes, there has been 223 confirmed cases. Unfortunately, I am not sure how many exact people have recovered, but due to the models that I've seen over the last few weeks, I have definitely seen that there has been a lot more people that have recovered from this virus than died. So that is definitely a very good thing. Now, as we go to the state of South Carolina, there has been 6,095 confirmed cases. Once again, I'm not sure how many people have actually recovered in the state, but I do know that there has been a lot more people that have recovered from this virus than have died. So that is definitely a good thing. And in the state of South Carolina, there has been 224 deaths. Now, as we go to the United States, there has been 1.13 million confirmed cases. Thankfully, around 142,000 people have recovered, and there's only been around 65,605 deaths. So, definitely, a much bigger amount of people that have recovered than died. So that is definitely a very good thing. Now, as we go to the globe, there has been 3.36 million confirmed cases. Thankfully, 1.06 million people have recovered, and there's only been 239,000 deaths. Now, look at these numbers again. 1.06 million people have recovered, and there has only been 239,000 deaths. I mean, that is around a 10 times much bigger number of the people that have recovered than died. So once again, a much bigger amount of people that have recovered from this virus than died. So once again, that's a very good thing. As we go to the symptoms, I've said this, many times, but I just want to make sure that you guys know this. Once again, the symptoms for COVID-19, you definitely want to be watching out for a fever, cough, and shortness of breath. If you ever have headaches can be symptoms of a fever. So definitely every time that you are getting a headache, be sure that you have your thermometer and that you are taking your temperature just to be on the safe side, okay? Now, watch out for cough and shortness of breath. Now, once again, if you are sick, please stay home. Call your healthcare provider immediately if you have any of these symptoms. Once again, the symptoms are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Now, once again, ways you can protect yourself. I've been saying these since day one, but just again, please be staying home as much as you possibly can. Keep a safe distance. If you do have to go to the grocery store, make sure that if you're talking to anybody, that you're at least six feet apart or anything. All these tips are going to help us, hopefully get through these uncertain times a lot more faster and a lot more healthier. Now, be sure that you are washing your hands often. Every time you get home from the grocery store, that you are washing your hands for at least 20 seconds or more. Make sure that you are getting a lot of soap on your hands. If you do go to the grocery store, be sure that maybe you're not, touching all those shelves, as much as you normally would. Make sure that you're wearing those. Make sure that you're wearing those gloves in your hands. Make sure that you have those masks on your face. All these, tips will help you and your family stay safe during these uncertain times. And also be sure that if you do have a cold, that you're covering your cough and sneeze, to prevent the spread of germs. Excuse me. So that is all I have for you guys today. I thank you guys very much for watching my videos. I hope everybody is staying safe during these times. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to all the doctors, nurses, and healthcare providers out there. Without you guys, without your help, the workforce in this, in these uncertain times would not be able to happen. So once again, a huge shout out to all the doctors, nurses, and health officials. I'm out there, especially law enforcement, our President Donald Trump, South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster. Big shout out to him and everything. So once again, a huge shout out to all the doctors, nurses, and healthcare providers out there. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. As I said earlier today, I look forward to bringing you more updates on the coronavirus and also the weather. As I always say, please stay tuned to my channel, Liam's Weather, for the latest updates on the coronavirus and the weather. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend.